Hello, dear viewers. Today's video is all about antonym words. Antonyms are words that have opposite meanings. They are used to show contrast or difference between two ideas. Here are some examples for you with picture visibility.
Fun, big and small. Big refers to something of considerable size. Small refers to something of limited size. Example, the elephant is big, but the mouse is small. 2. Rich and poor. Rich means having a lot of wealth or resources. Poor means lacking sufficient money or resources. 3. Tall and short. Tall means having great height. Short means having little height. Example, the giraffe is tall but the rabbit is short. 4. Hot and cold. Hot means having a high temperature. Cold means having a low temperature. Example, the tea was hot but the ice cream was cold. 5. Light and dark. Light means bright or not heavy. Dark means lacking light or brightness. Example, the room was light during the day but dark at night. 6. Clean and dirty. Clean means free from dirt or mess. Dirty means covered with dirt or unclean. Example, the clean shirt became dirty after the game. 7. Full and empty. Full means containing as much as possible. Empty means containing nothing. Example, the glass was full of water, but now it is empty. 8. Near and far. Near means close to something. Far means at a great distance. Example, the school is near our house, but the park is far away. 9. Open and closed. Open means not shut or sealed. Closed means shut or not open. Example, the shop was open in the morning but closed in the evening. 10. Fast and slow. Fast means moving quickly. Slow means moving at a low speed. Example, the car was fast but the bicycle was slow. Thanks for watching. Do like, subscribe and share.